India continues to battle its deadly second wave of the coronavirus pandemic. And for the first time in 4 days, India has reported less than 400,000 daily cases. India recorded over 366,000 new infections on Sunday. On your screens right now is the number of cases India has reported in the last 1 week. You can see the number going down on Sunday, offering some respite for COVID hit India. Talking about COVID mortalities, India reported 3,754 COVID-related deaths in the last 24 hours. More than 246,000 Indians have lost their lives to the coronavirus until now. India's second wave began in April, and the unprecedented surge in cases has burdened the healthcare system to a near collapse. According to the Indian Health Ministry, 10 states account for more than 70% of India's COVID-19 infections. These states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan, and Haryana. In a bid to contain the spike of infections, many states across India have imposed or extended their lockdowns. Uttarakhand, the state where one of India's biggest holy festivals, Kumbh, was held, will go into a lockdown starting on Tuesday. Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal extended the national capital's lockdown until next Monday, and this time around, the Delhi Metro will not be operational as well. States across the nation have reported a shortage in medical oxygen as cases continue to pile up. And according to a recent report, Indian states are loaning each other the much-needed oxygen. On Thursday, Delhi received surplus liquid oxygen after the country's top court's intervention. However, neighboring state Haryana reported a shortage of oxygen. In the end, Haryana borrowed 20 metric tons of oxygen from Delhi until its daily quota arrived. Haryana's Chief Minister Mahol Har Lal Khattar later wrote to the Union Ministry Piyush Goyal to increase the state's daily quota.